Hello and welcome to Universal Tools. My name's Terry. Today we're going to be looking at our episode number 5 of our tool series videos. And our tool for today is our 22.5 tonne remote crimping head. Let's have a look at some of the features of this 22.5 tonne crimper. It can crimp copper lugs 35mm squared up to 630mm squared, and aluminium lugs 35mm squared up to 500mm squared. You can get a die adapter for the smaller dies, so that covers dies 35mm squared up to 300mm squared, and then the other dies 400, 500 and 630 come like that. And also it comes in a sturdy case. So what we'll do now is we'll hook it up to our electro-hydraulic pump. That's the machine that drives this crimp head. So this is how we connect the hydraulic hose coming from our electro-hydraulic pump to the remote head crimper. Both have high pressure hydraulic fittings, and you push the hose end into the crimp head end and then do up the lock nut. Up, and that allows for a secure connection and it's ready to go. So when you come to putting in the crimp dies, pull out the retaining pin and then choose what die you want. You've got a bottom die with a locating groove, and you've got a top die where the retaining bolt goes through. You can see here I've put in a die already. It's a 400mm squared die for copper, so it's an easy exchange. With the die adapter, it's the same story. You've got a bottom section of the die adapter and a top section of the die adapter, and they fit our 12 tonne crimp dies in there, like so. So if you're crimping larger conductors, both in copper and aluminium, this is definitely the tool that you would want to be using. Coupled with the electro-hydraulic pump on my right there, we've got a couple of different models of electro-hydraulic pumps which we'll look at later in other videos. So this one here can crimp our biggest copper lug, which is 630mm squared, and then aluminium conductor, this is our bimetal reducer, and that can crimp up to 500mm squared bimetal reducers or bimetal lugs. The tool can be found on our website if you visit www.uttco.com.au. Going to crimpers, going to remote head crimpers, you'll find our 22.5 tonne crimper in there. Thanks for watching.